Welcome to Inside the Stanford Prison Experiment, a mind-boggling social psychology study conducted by the brilliant Dr. Philip Zimbardo in 1971 at Stanford University. This groundbreaking experiment aimed to explore the effects of perceived power and authority on human behavior. We'll take you back to the campus of Stanford University, where a group of 24 college students eagerly volunteered to participate in what they would believe to be a harmless simulation. Little did they know their lives were about to be turned upside down. The experiment began innocently enough, with the participants randomly assigned the roles of prisoners and guards. The prisoners were stripped of their personal identities, given numbers, and forced to wear smocks, while the guards were given uniforms and batons to establish their authority. What started as a simulation quickly escalated into a shocking transformation. The guards, fueled by their newfound power, began to exert control and dominance over the prisoners. This subjected them to psychological and physical abuse, creating an oppressive environment. As the days went by, the prisoners experienced a profound psychological impact. They felt stripped of their autonomy, constantly humiliated and dehumanized. Many prisoners developed feelings of helplessness, anxiety, and depression, while some even contemplated escape. On the flip side, the guards became increasingly authoritarian and sadistic. They relished in their power, using intimidation tactics and psychological manipulation to maintain control. The line between the experiment and reality blurred, leaving both participants and researchers astounded. As the experiment progressed, ethical concerns started to arise. Dr. Zimbardo, who played the role of the prison superintendent, became so engrossed in his role, he overlooked the escalating abuse. It took the intervention of a concerned graduate student to shed light on the ethical implications of the study. Realizing the detrimental effects on the participants' mental well-being, the experiment was abruptly terminated after just 6 days, originally planned to last 2 weeks. The fallout from the experiment raised important questions about the ethical boundaries of psychological research and the responsibility of researchers to protect their participants. After the abrupt termination of the experiment, the findings and ethical concerns surrounding the Stanford prison experiment sparked a significant shift in the field of psychology. Dr. Zimbardo's study raised important questions about the power of situational influence and the potential for individuals to engage in harmful behavior under certain circumstances. The experiment shed light on the dark side of human nature and the need for ethical guidelines in psychological research. It prompted researchers to establish stricter protocols to protect participants from harm and ensure their well-beings. Furthermore, the Stanford prison experiment continues to serve as a cautionary tale, reminding us of the potential dangers of unchecked authority and importance of individual autonomy and human rights. By examining the long-lasting impact of the study, we can gain a deeper understanding of the complexities of human behavior and the influence of our surroundings. Why was this a major turning point in history? Well, the Stanford prison experiment completely changed the way we understand human behavior. It made us question how our surroundings can influence our actions and even lead to harmful behavior. The study raised important ethical concerns which led to stricter guidelines in psychological research to protect participants. It also serves as a powerful reminder of the potential dangers of unchecked authority. Overall, it had a significant impact on psychology and our understanding of human nature,